Rolling.
Yeah,
Good luck, good luck.
We roll for the position.
Tumatalon-talon.
Wait, parang Sir Dwayne's good and bad again.
Yeah, no problem.
You know, I can use if I have a ghost face miniature if you don't want.
Shuffle properly.
It's okay, it's okay.
You wanna shuffle?
Hindi. Go ahead.
Send you an isa.
The acrylics looks really good.
Hindi ko natapos yun. Ang hindi lang yun. Natapos yun. Hindi ko ginawa yun.
I'll copy it. Actually, if I give me back like I never do it like this.
Start na ako nito. So, kasi yung iba kasi kulang yung sample sa isa tournament. Tama natin sa UNM.
Try out tumingin sa match cards.
Ang sakit dun sa UNM kasi pag nakapong ka, alis ng graph ng
Sinisiti ko yun eh.
yung ginawa ko. Saka para mas makita ko
Okay. I'm thinking. Third position, second position. Mulligan.
So I'm the loser of the die roll, right? So I can choose.
Okay. I don't know.
Yeah, I can take it.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
No problem.
Nawalan sila ng PSP night.
I'm the second.
Thank you.
Baka kasi tagal na tuloy.
Good luck, sir.
Good luck, sir.
What is the mistake?
Salve. Place the golden base in his
Okay,
face.
okay.
Attacking.
That's hard. 7.
7.
7. Take 4.
It's fucking aggressive.
All money.
Meron siyang choice na reverse.
Ako maneuver.
Maneuver. Maneuver again. Passing my turn.
All maneuver.
Low-key lang, low-key malawak yung... Hindi ako parang sumusunod na masaya.
Naglaro sa mapang mahaba. Yung mga mag-ihirap. Nalo naman. Ano ba yun? Pwede mo sa yun.
Dahil tagal nyo nga eh. Nakatig na kayo.
Maneuver. Maneuver again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards.
All maneuver. All books. Oh no. A mistake.
Is wala pa na po.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ang damage.
Tapi naman nandun ko sa bando. Kailangan mo mag-grito ka pag ginalo.
Alpine.
Gagawin sabi ko siya. Ganun sa mo. Ano sabi sa akin. Dami. Hindi ba? Pero nag-record kami. Nakihila kami. Dalawa. Nag-grupo sa segundo. Sabi ko may meron. Dalawa.
Drawing to.
Tandem.
Ako
Isang puso, isang tibo.
Ang inantaan ko yan, puti ang puti.
Kapag sa akin, di ba? Saka sasakay.
Cards in hand.
I
Tingnan pa,
have 6.
No blind was 10. Take 3.
Take 3.
Discard the top card. Heal 3. Wow. So lucky. Then 1, 2.
Answer.
Yes, sorry.
Hard cards in hand, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Siguro may game 1 action pa.
Take 2. Take 1.
Take 1. Just take 1.
I don't take that.
Yeah. Tama ba?
Okay. 1 damage.
1 damage. Shuffle. Cancel. Cards in hand.
1 sec.
Ano bang tayo commentate?
1, 2, 3, 4.
3 bomb yan.
All maneuver.
Not to you by. Sa team.
Maneuver.
User's bracket.
Maneuver again. How many cards in hand?
I have
6.
6.
That's in my turn.
You have 6 also, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not that good counting.
Maneuver.
Kayo na idea naman siya. PG.
Center mo ba? Gitna yun. Pero may try sila.
Second one.
Bakit yan?
I'll discard.
Yes, po. When this happens, just saw it when this happens. Yes, color that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My turn.
Yeah.
Maneuver. Attacking. 1 damage.
Kaya.
Discard. Heal by 2. Then I'll move up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's my turn.
You have 6 cards.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How maneuver?
Ng Alpine.
Girado ka pa. Pero natin.
Ang galing. Tag team. Tag.
Pass.
Ako si Big Two. Ako si Big Two.
Maneuver.
Yung golden bat.
Right.
Mo na agad. Kung nakasya mo.
Kasi magini, di ba?
Attacking.
Hindi ka ako na pala.
Parang nakahawak ko yung ano.
Pupunta dito yung mga sa kapit.
Sponsored by Jollibee. Asan yung
Nasa dulo kasi biglang lumabas yung character na.
Lighter, right?
Yes.
Hello, mga.
Two damage.
Shuffle. Ay, you resolve. Oh, shuffle. We have 5 rights now.
Yes po.
Good kasama tayo.
Cut.
Ano yun? Dapat
Second action.
Second action.
Lapit ka dito. Lapit ka dito. Ako, sakto lang. Halika dito, sir. Magko-comment dito. Sir, ano kung masasabi ko lang?
Sa matchup.
Stay.
Favor dito. Based sa aking mababang experience, favor dito si Daredevil.
Bakit yun?
Kasi hindi siya nabuhusan ng
Attack
trick.
in the rim.
Napakagaling na ano?
Di ba?
Napakaganda.
Napakagaling analysis.
Analysis. Brought to you by.
Ang analysis mo dyan naman siguro.
You first.
Ay, may first right?
Then, yan top.
Heal one.
Tong.
And I'll discard one first.
Yeah, right.
Hindi ka pa eh. Bago eh. Armis na.
Armis.
Grappling ko. Yan si Batman.
Just settle.
Iba yung texture.
Two damage.
Yeah, I'll shuffle. How many cards are there?
Four.
Ah.
Kasi
Pero kanina mo film eh. Yung dapat niya nalitan. Muntik na siya eh. Kanina naman. Lugi na si Daredevil nun. Wala nang hawak. Tapos na-faint yung dust na.
Maneuver, second action.
ano lang, wala nang difference sa mga race.
Kailangan na lang na
Maneuver.
Actually, nakakainis ka kasi mag-brainer. Discard pag...
Maneuver
Hindi,
again.
yung kalapit ni...
Pass in my turn.
6 cards, right?
6 cards.
hindi pwedeng baguhin yung order.
Pag ano, basta siya kalapit din sa piso.
Oh, maneuver.
Pahirap.
Papahirapan ko.
I'll just stay there.
Maneuver.
Kung walang deck, pwede din. Kung walang
Maneuver
deck.
again.
Iwan mo lang yun.
Discarding one card.
Dapat just walang pang
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Nagamit ba? Last breeder na rin kan. Kung siguro 40 million game yun, yung Medusa. Madali. Bakit? Tama na tayo. Ayo, yung page ka.
Maneuver.
Si Alphon. Nabis natin. Nakasalap. Nakalaban mo ata kanina. Yun na yung gaba siya. Alam ko may matchup yun yung Medusa.
Palaban, siya ba yung palaban ni Coronita?
Oo. Tesla Golden Path.
Seven.
Maneuver.
Sayang.
Kapatid na siya eh. Tapos
Maneuver again.
ano siya, mayroon siya ng combo na 3-4 pairs.
Discarding 2.
Full charge.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1.
Tesla.
Match yun eh. Kalubihan ulit. Hindi siya na.
Oh, maneuver.
Walang
Ano pag nag kaya hurts me
ano siya?
Okay, 4. Take
yung game ko.
7 cards. Pass cards.
Maneuver.
Tapos wala din. Tapos lang yung cards sa mga.
Attacking. Take 3.
11.
Gusto mangyari ni Boss. Yun ang best case scenario.
Hindi pa yun.
Hindi pa kayo. Hindi pa kayo.
Shit.
Yung shell, hindi pa kayo. Kung may bigaw.
Yung may ano lang. Alpha. Patrick, mag-comment ka naman sa ano.
So ngayon,
Nakikita na.
6 cards.
13
1, 2, 3,
HPC
4, 5,
Golden
6,
Bat
7.
tapos 11 si Daredevil, di ba?
Ikaw?
Tapos 13
6
Daredevil, 6 cards siya.
I'll have to action.
So mag-draw siya ngayon.
Support mo yung LGBT community.
So ngayon, mag-move na si Daredevil. Nagbibilang siya.
Ano unang 1?
1, 2, 3, 4.
34 ako.
It's gonna boost it. Choosing a boost card.
You will
Ay,
here.
sorry.
You move 4.
No. Sorry.
Yes.
Oh, no boost, no boost.
Kaso rin,
It's only 3
Uh,
boosts.
I'll second maneuver.
Ang kapa ng sorry.
Kala ko boost.
I'll discard one.
Ay, discarding 1.
Discarding.
Discarding.
Pass.
Alpine. Up.
Cast Alpine. Put him back on Super Strength.
Golden Bat, doing the Golden Bat.
Drawing 2. Moving 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's fucking go.
Leader ability still active. Plus 2 to any attack.
Take a knee.
6-3.
Oh, that's 3 damage.
Let's see if we'll get lucky.
Discard the top card. Healing for the boost value. Oh, healing 3.
Oh my
Technically
god.
no damage.
How
That's
many cards
crazy.
in hand?
Wow.
6, sir.
6.
What a lucky draw by doing.
Cards at.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's crazy.
That was a lucky draw.
He's killing by 3 all the time. Really lucky.
Yeah.
Maneuver.
It's his turn.
Maneuver action, 3 moves.
Can I count here?
Yes.
What is counting the cards? Before he goes 7.
7 cards in the
Connecting
deck.
deck. 8.
Against 8 cards for their deck.
We're now 8 in the
Advantage on life. No
Yeah.
problem.
Half time break.
How does you want?
Deck advantage for Daredevil. He's moving away now. Oh, doing the breather. Taking the advantage. Bigger.
Maneuver.
That's crazy. Taking the breather.
Maneuver again.
Double maneuver action.
Discarding 2 cards.
Very good position.
Taking the center stage.
Yeah.
You know si Shakespeare. Okay, next time
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards.
Arrows next Ano ba yun? Sa game.
Hindi.
Dami dun sa graveyard. Nagpatayo.
Saksakan ng laban.
Ilan student kayo? May naglaro ba sa inyo sa shop?
Zero.
Maneuver.
Ikaw? Nasa nerd ka? Nakalaro mo si ano nga? Si Nat? Nag-trade siya ka sa shop? Hindi
Oo,
na
nakita ko yung pangalan.
Hindi na nagising
Oo
ka.
nga, nakasabi ko ba busy?
Sabi mo sa akin. Ayaw. Saan nagising ang time?
Yeah.
Sige.
Samahan mo.
Tapos nagsaksakan ako sa GP. Nagandang pa ko ng ano, sabi, sinong gagawin ko?
Parang iba ko sa
Pero, ano naman sa akin, nakalibre ko siya.
Sir JC ka, kalaban ko.
Lahat ng panalo, pinag-alabot ko baka.
Kaya kami na naman yan.
Next month sa SMR lang para farm.
Madami na nilipas.
Kunti lang ba kayo? Kunti lang.
I'll maneuver. Second.
Parang dito lang rin.
Pahinga nga pa, kada round gusto nagpapahinga.
Last time, marami na 60, diba?
You draw twice.
Ha?
You draw twice.
I will...
Kasi 5 games tayo yun. Kaya pa mga sa
I need to discard 2.
Ito ito.
Okay.
Kaysa nung Winter Soldier ako nainis. Kasi hindi mo makalis. Ito kasi mahuli mo at some point. Winter wala. Alam mo nang ganun yung laro niya.
Alpine.
Value na lang talaga.
Ito minsan nagipagpakbakan. Dalawang cards lagi. Nino ni Daredevil.
Kaso, sige, dikit-dikit.
Kailangan yung mag-push si
This is more.
life siya.
Oh, you can move me.
No, you did the Alpine, so I can move up to 4.
You moved him.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, sorry.
Yeah.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, sorry.
No problem, no problem.
Sorry.
Okay,
Sorry sa misunderstanding.
Okay, sorry.
All good, all good, all good.
Attacking.
Devil Bat ability.
1 damage.
Still active. That's 1 damage.
Heal 3.
Heal 3.
Discard one.
Same
One
positive.
random.
Positive.
Refill again.
Cards are done.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ba't ka rin ba?
Tatlo na yung grade.
Sabi ko, makancel mo.
Dalawa. Tatlo rin ang hits. Tatlo hits.
Dalawa na lang.
7, right?
Dalawa lang.
May kasi dalawang level, dalawang.
Ako ni
May
King
bad,
yung
may
isang
bad.
rifle pag
Tagal ko din lagi ko kasi binabalik.
ako yung main kahit yung lang sa window. Zero, benta na yan. Kaya mas zero. Utang mo ng tawad, winter sa winter ako. Pero kailangan nyo ang hindi sa hindi pa kami nagkabulan. Inipit ko, uwi na hindi pa yun. Pati na sila gumawa ng
Past 7.
hindi masaya laro.
Two minutes in, 23 minutes.
Maneuver. Boosting by 3. 3. 1, 2.
Pero
Attacking.
Crouching Tiger for 1 o kaya Blast Wave na 1. Pwede ba rin? Kung gusto mo lang isa yung cards, baka lang ito. Flip-flop, iso pa rin kasi sa akin pa rin. Flip-flop, tapos ano ba sa aming mga mains? Punta rin na.
Take 2.
Iso matters.
Bottom.
Iso matters. Tagal 38 ang buhay namin buhay nila. 36 na eh.
Basta din namin yung sponsor.
This section is brought to you by Sabi.
Counting that. Discard.
7 cards, 6 cards.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Witchy sa labas.
6 cards versus 7 cards.
Counting the discard pa.
Both of them have 3 more cards in their decks.
Rebel versus the first Japanese superhero. Gosenban.
Hindi niya niligtas na upper ni Rashida.
Yun.
I-cancel siya.
Ay, mga kalaman mo dito ha? Wala siya. Parang sila kahapon eh. Saan ba sila kayo sa Altax? Yung pray ko din. Grabe kasi yung training mo nila kahapon. Ha? Grabe kasi yung training nila yung sandbox. Bakit? Barudon po eh. Lang pala yan.
It was a feint. It was a feint.
Feint na cancel.
Yes, sir.
Both of them just appeared.
But ano ba sila team? Naka-team ba sila?
They're playing mind games here.
Nung last na.
Or playing the feint.
Maneuver.
Kasi
Tapos na maneuver
namin.
one card.
Sila yung sister
Brought to you by Mama Mo.
6 cards.
6 cards on your devil's hand.
Halos naman tatapos.
Pustahan ba? Pwede.
Nakakalusot minsan sa gamers.
Nadagit niya yung isang
Maneuver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. Maneuver again. Pass in my turn.
Oh my god.
Tense moment.
Oh my god.
Cards in hand.
6 stars.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
26 minutes in. Tense moment.
Oh, what an even match. Same card size, same life.
Maneuver.
MYFU on the background.
Chill off. Intense fight, chills off.
The best battle
I'll-
song for something intense.
Wala na.
Dispatch.
Ito boost.
Hindi nag-maneuver. We worried her.
Dear Devil, thinking if he's gonna boost. Isip na mag-boost na yun.
Ayan na.
Wala nang braid.
Pag nag-bail, kaya cycle. Pag nag-fight sa then devil, di ba? 8, nagiging 8.
Meron siya.
Sakit yun.
How many cards na yan?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Just run.
Final set eh. Kaya intense yung laban. Sobrang match eh. As in yung number of cards even eh, pati life eh. Couldn't.
Quality even na lang. Sa third page niya bigay slot.
May patch.
Ano may patch? Yung mga heroes. Nagkaka-patch sila.
Sino? Saan?
Saan patch?
Ang pinatch nila na legit si ano yun. Rider.
The state.
Ghost Rider.
Second action.
Kasi yung Hugo.
Stay.
Cards in hand.
Ay!
But it's
6.
6,
Si
7.
Daredevil din ako.
You had 7 before, right?
Yeah, but
So you maneuver, wait, you
Sorry.
maneuver 8, you discard that 7, but you have 6.
I didn't discard. I played it.
I played it?
I played it. Second action.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a pass.
This one are 3, right? Are 2 only.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for that.
Come to the Hell's Kitchen. Only one left. Grade 1.
And only one cancel before the patch.
Yes, sir. Uncancelled dated.
Ano ba yung nagawa namin?
Yung Hell's Kitchen kasi.
English daw, para sa mga
Oh, yeah.
ano yung mga international natin.
Yeah.
For those who want to know, Hell's Kitchen basically returns cards from their graveyard, their trash. Graveyard. Ano ba dito? From their graveyard to their deck. So the deck count would be
7, take 4.
higher by 3. Tatlo, di ba? Plus Hell's
Four.
Kitchen.
Four.
4 plus Hell's Kitchen. 4 cards. Top 4 of the graveyard plus Hell's Kitchen. So that's 5
What if we had
cards.
ano, Ash Blossom?
Ash Blossom.
Yu-Gi-Oh! ano?
Drop yun ah. 19 plus pa. Ano yan? Obscure. Naalala pa nila.
So yung bilang,
May cancel pa rin.
may cancel kasi. Attack yung Hell's Kitchen. So yung counter nito, yung cancel nito, dalawa. Yung Hell's Kitchen, dalawa. Meron na stig isa sa Grease. So, tig-isa silang... So, either ma-cancel niyo yung Hell's Kitchen or hindi. So, dun nag-boil down. And 2 actions sa ano. So, hindi mo alam kung alin yung
6, 7.
Hell's
1, 2,
Kitchen.
3, 4, 5.
Ah, 5.
Hindi mo alam kung alin yung... Kanina, ginawa ni Duan, nag-faint siya yung isang Hell's Kitchen. Kinancel yung faint ni Duan. Yung faint cancel lang rin. So, nag-cancel lang sila. So, nag-remind games kanina, na-bait yung isang cancel. So, ngayon, mabibait ba ni Duan yung pangalawa or hindi? Yun na lang yung question. Oh!
I knew it.
That's so huge! That was it. The last cancel. So it's gonna be Hell's Kitchen from now.
It's raw.
Attorney. Yeah, there's
It's fucking raw.
no choice.
Cuts.
But
Sayang.
will
I knew
Daredevil
it.
survive the next round?
I knew it.
The next turn? That's the question.
Tune in on our next episode.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Daredevil needs to survive now.
I will attack.
First attack.
Take 2.
5, right?
Yes, sir. Taking 2. After combat, reveal the top deck. Healing 2. Oh my god. So many heals this game.
Attacking. Take 2.
Blind boost.
Okay.
You can blind boost now.
So 5.
So that's 5. No damage.
No damage.
Then he's gonna heal. Oh my god.
Oh!
Heal 3. But he got the...
Heal.
I think
He got the Hell's
That's the
Kitchen.
cycle.
Now they're... Yeah. Ends aside.
6.
No
How
more.
many cards? How many cards? Only one?
No more cycle, how about bicycle?
There's
7 times the he killed by 3. If I'm correct.
I've been
21 plus his life. I cannot deal
The
50
blind-
damage.
Yeah.
It's impossible.
the blind boost of the blind boost of the dev.
He blind boosted.
For the naman.
Bond pick pa yan. Bond pick
What
lang.
a lucky day.
Plus devil.
Tapos heal 3. Hell's Kitchen. Heal 3.
Wala.
Cards in hand.
Please.
Safe na.
Maneuver.
Pero wala na rin kasing deck eh.
So,
Bilang na rin yan.
bumalik sa card na ano.
So kailangan niya na mag-survive actually.
Bumalik sa ano. Ay, hindi nanalo yung Asian.
Take 2.
Hindi lang.
Hindi nanalo.
Bin-9 kaya nyo bin-9.
Parang wala ng cards.
I'm just gonna...
Take 2 every turn. Tatry mo mag-draw. Kasi kailangan mo
Maneuver.
Kailangan mo mag-2 actions, di ba? Kung nag-maneuver ka, kailangan mo bumunod. Pag bubunod ka, titake 2 ka. So, paubusan mo.
Maneuver.
Patagal.
Hero mo.
Fatigue damage. Ah. Do one the coin
Then
flip.
I will-
Coin flip yun, di ba?
Yes.
I'll just maneuver take.
Okay.
Tapos ano yan? Gawing Bigfoot and Daredevil pa yan. Choice.
Ano ba yung gold? Ano ba yung...
Ilang damage per...
2 damage.
If you require ka mag-drop it.
Ano yung isa pang option ng golden? What's up golden? Ano kayo?
Taking 4.
Hindi ko nakikita eh.
Just for the record.
Ilan?
Bigfoot ba?
1, 2,
Ay, hindi
3.
kay ano.
1.
Yen.
Oh.
Kinain ka?
Yan yung kakao. Kasi
Mamamatay.
Basta ako nawala yung lakbayan.
Then I'll take
Kasi
2.
wala siyang paint.
Ay, next game, sir. Just lucky also.
Kasi mga bata,
Game, yes, sir.
hindi tatanong
But
sa-
we discarded my last breeder. It's a clap. Let's discard.
If I can